Good morning. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. Didn't sleep much last night. We had a storm front blow through. It actually stretched my lines to the point, and the waves got so large, my overhang of my bow started clanging on the dock in the front, actually. So it pulled the wind that was coming from the east, pushed me back towards the dock a little bit, and my lines stretched as much as they could because of the force of the wind, and then the waves. I was tapping every once in a while, so I chipped the paint on the nose underneath the bow. Underneath there's like a mounting guard plate there. But anyways, just to give you an idea, it's a little bit rough. This that flapping is that you see the furler is actually having unfurled. I know the guys went over there to try to roll that up before. Anyways, white caps in the marina. Got this thru-hull here, and I had to get a plastic. I don't know what that's called now. On a boat, every exit point, fuel, anything is supposed to be double clamped. So you can see the shadow here. So that first one is on that one, on the boat bottom part, but there's still lots of black there for this one to grab onto. See how this works. Like I said, worst case scenario, you just gotta close the shut-off valve again, but it's a strange noise. Actually, we're hearing the cavitation of the blades, eh? I guess he doesn't care about the lockdown. We'll take this here. Actually, there is a leak, but it's leaking from the sink. Of all things, way up here. You can see dripping from way up at the top, and then it's dripping down on top of the bottom clamps. So it's hard to tell if any of the clamps are leaking, but my guess is no, because it's coming from the very top. So it looks like I've got to take this steel part off here and then reseal it with some silicone, I guess, some caulking, clean it, reseal it. That's what I got to do. So if you'd like to help us out, like most people, we're working on a budget. We set up a Patreon page. If you'd like to join the crew, we could use some better camera equipment. That's what we're going to largely use that for, to help keep us supported making videos. And if you also, a big help would be to comment, hit the notification button, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up if you like these videos. Thank you. Bring up that one. But basically there's two halves. It kind of works like a sink, like a kitchen sink. So there's two halves, and there's basically some kind of either rubber membrane or silicone or something that goes between the two halves. So the inside has the screw. There we go, that big thing. This one. So I can clean that up. And then this thing here. So there's just basically a rubber gasket. So I don't know why it's leaking. You can see it just, the gasket looks alright. Like I said, it doesn't actually look all that bad. So maybe it's just dirt or something here. Grime has gotten underneath it. So here's what I found. There was actually a break in the caulking underneath here, and then there was just a lot of dirt here, so I'm just, I'm almost positive that this is going to work fine. I'm going to just give that a quick sand, nothing major, and doing the same here. And this is just so it's got a good clean finish. I just clean that all up, and I think it's good now. Even underneath, I don't feel anything. I don't think that thing at the bottom was on right. That's why it didn't catch, right? Because I shouldn't be able to go up that much with it. Like it feels like it's getting it. I don't know. Does that look higher than before? I don't know. I can't tell. It feels different though. Okay, let's try that. Get another barrel. I think I got it. It was just cross-threaded. Looks good. No drips. And that's one of the things with these jobs. It's patience. So you just gotta watch them. So the water level, you can see, is right there. So that's where the boat water level is. It's actually in the tube. It's not above the tube. No, there's nothing dripping.